Hello guys and welcome back to The Mood. Today we are the 7th of July 2021 and guys, I'm out of the market right now. I don't think there is anything really interesting to trade at that point. This market needs to decide where it's going, whatever happens. Even when we got a few Elon Musk tweets, it doesn't do absolutely anything on the market. We have to be realistic here. We got a situation that looks quite bearish actually still, and we really need things to go up, and we really need good fundamentals to bring back all the investors on the market. But because for now everybody is gutted of what happened, of that drop, and there is no fresh money injected in the market. But whatever, there's gonna be a second wave of investor during this cycle, and I'm pretty sure we are going to see crazy stuff before Christmas, as I always told you guys. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, consider doing it right now. Support the channel and leave a tons and tons of like. We are doing here analysis of Bitcoin and cryptos on a most of it daily basis when the market is interesting, guys, on a daily basis. So today we are going to have after a look at Cardano, and we are going to make a new chart on Cardano. All right, okay, make sure you watch the video until the end. So I've been extremely accurate on each and every single little move on this market over Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, guys. All these little markings you can see here were predictions of mine. I did it before the price action, and if you follow the channel, you can watch my previous video. You'll see that's quite true. That one planned, that one planned, everything was planned. So that's why right now I'm out of the market, and I'm gonna tell you what I think is going to happen and what are the failures of the actual market. And we are still on the 4-hour chart. Our new indicator shows us a top. We are on the RSI, and we are ranging over that resistance line right here, and we are actually topping over it. According to me, we can break it, but for me today there is absolutely no steam to break it, apart if we get a real fundamental news or something. So the VIX is telling us that there is absolutely no steam, and we are losing steam. You see here, our VIX was going high, a little bit less. Each and every bounce is lower on the VIX, which is not a great sign. So at that point, on a personal base, I prefer to stay out of this and wait for a real retracement that we might have. Wait for real big candles right here, like these ones, to enter again. And yeah, I mean, we have to really make profit at some point, so it's better to stay out of this. I know it's an accumulation phase, but right now all the channels are closed on Binance, and by the way, that's not a great sign. Binance closed their deal with Clear Junction, so you cannot do any SEPA wire anymore on Binance, and that's something that's really weird. On a personal base, I received a message from Binance that they want now justification of where all the funds you're sending are coming from. They have an investigation going on, and there is something going on that might be a little bit worse than what they show, because the Clear Junction cut their SEPA wires. Barclay cut all the wires to Binance. They are clearing and verifying all their members. It's weird. There is something going on. That investigation is clearly happening, and they are doing it. And for now there is something fishy on Binance, so it's maybe a good time to short BNB. I don't know. I'm still on them. I'm not moving my funds, but I smell something. Something is not right. They are hiding it. So regarding all this, I would say today it's a dumping day. Started nice. We woke up with green, but yes, we have a little bit of more upside here. However, I think we are topping here. I think there are very slight chance that we do this and then this. I say we do this more. but that's the kind of channel we are going to have during the coming hours, so I'm not gonna touch that. Regarding Doge, yes, I'm out. That was the move I planned yesterday, and it did happen perfectly. So we are still ranging here. The VIX is shorter even here. It's not great. We can still also here same. We can see if we are lucky a little bit of a move like that, but it's boring as hell. I understand why many investors are out of the market. We saw some nice pumps over Luna. And by the way, we can see it had on the 4-hour a golden cross yesterday. Nice. I missed it. Could have enjoyed that pump. But we are really topping everywhere. This is really a top here. I wouldn't put any more money into Luna right now. I was trying to find some good opportunities to trade on this market, but absolutely nothing. It's too risky. My point of reference is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin doesn't show any signs of real life right now. So regarding Cardano, we are going back on the daily chart, guys. Please make sure you subscribe the channel. I keep doing videos whatever happens, guys. I'm not letting you down, and you need proper information on what's going on. We are bullish, but we are realistic. We know that we want to save money and buy as lowest as we can to really make the most benefits when the bulls are coming back, guys. So Cardano is really bumping over that resistance line that we are here on the RSI. We can lift it up a little bit. If we look at our new indicator, let's see what we have. But we had all these tops were always on that same trend line. We had all these bottoms same on that same trend line. We are not there yet. However, on the 4-hour chart, we are not there yet. Maybe there is a little bit of upside left for Cardano. But guys, it's a top. Bitcoin is not doing so great, so I wouldn't expect any miracles right now. And I would get out of these two. The VIX is very low also. So I think we are just ranging here, maybe a little bit higher, but the tendency is going down for Cardano during the coming hours. We might even have it a little bit steeper like that. Sorry, that's not good news. I wish we were still in the bull market. Remember the good old days where I could spend time doing these videos and people would subscribe massively. I cannot do that, so I'm trying to make it shorter and more in a more condensed way, guys. Thank you for watching very much. Leave all those likes. Remember, like in the old days, do it, guys. Do it and subscribe, and I'll see you when there is something happening. Okay? See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.